Punctuation. Understanding its function. Lesson agenda.
We will demonstrate the appropriate use of punctuation when writing.
Period. A period is used at the end of statement.
Example, today I learned how to use a period in a sentence.
Exclamation point. An exclamation point is used to show excitement or emphasis at the end of a sentence.
Example, I can't believe how great of a day it is today.
Question mark. A question mark is used at the end of a question.
Example, can you help me carry in this box?
Comma. A comma is used to separate phrases or items in a list.
Example, I need to buy an apple, an orange, and a banana.
Semicolon. A semicolon is used to join two independent clauses that are closely related.
Example, Melissa went to the library to study. It was the only place quiet enough for her to focus.
Ellipsis. An ellipsis is used to indicate a pause or trailing off of a thought.
Example, weeks later, I finally found my missing shoe.
Quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to mark the beginning and end of a quote or to show speech used in a sentence.
Example, I am excited to go to the zoo this weekend, exclaimed Molly.
Apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show possession.
Example, Jonna's new box of markers had 50 different colors.
Colon. A colon is used to introduce groups of words in a series or introduce a quote.
Example, Frank was going to buy 3 things: a lamp, a couch, and a book.
Punctuation. Pizza party. Exclamation mark.
This pizza is amazing.
Full stop.
Thank you for the pizza.
Capital letter.
Pizza Palace is where I buy pizza.
Question mark.
Would you like some pizza?
Comma.
I need cheese, tomato and olives.
Speech marks.
This pizza is mine, said Dad.
Can you remember their names? Exclamation mark. Full stop. Question mark. Comma. Capital letter. Speech marks. Pizza party.
The art of punctuation.
Enhancing clarity and expression in your writing.
The importance of punctuation.
Punctuation is the hero of effective communication. It plays a crucial role in ensuring clarity by marking the beginnings and endings of ideas, helping to convey emotions and tone, and differentiating between various thoughts and concepts. Without proper punctuation,
the period.
it is used to the conclusion of complete sentence. Unlike exclamation marks or question marks, the period conveys no excitement or a strong emotion. It ensures that our thoughts find a well-defined and conclusion in the written word. Example, she finished her homework.
The comma.
The comma separates items in a list. It sets off introductory phrases. It separates independent clauses in a compound sentence. Example: I need to buy apples, bananas, and oranges at the grocery store.
The semicolon.
It connects closely related independent clauses that are not joined by conjunctions. Use it in complex list when the list items contain commas. Example: she wanted pizza for dinner. He craved a burger.
The colon.
Introduces a list or explanation. Follows a complete sentence. It is used in time or ratio expressions. The colon is used to introduce a quote or a piece of information. Example: there are 3 things I enjoy reading: hiking and painting.
The question mark.
The question mark indicates a question. It is used at the end of direct questions. It is not used for indirect questions. Example: did you finish your homework?
The exclamation mark.
The exclamation mark expresses strong emotions. For example, excitement, surprise, extra. Use it sparingly in formal writing. Example: wow, that was an incredible performance.
Quotation marks.
They enclose direct speech or a quote. Quotation marks are used for titles of short works. For example, articles, poems. They are used for highlighting words as words. Example: she said, I will be there at 3 p.m.
The apostrophe.
It indicates possession. For example, Sarah's book. It is used in contractions. For example, can't. Be cautious with its versus its. Example: that's Sarah's cat.
Parenthesis.
They are used to add non-essential information. Parentheses clarify or provide additional details. They are used sparingly in formal writing. Example: the event, which was postponed due to rain, has been rescheduled.
Do you have any questions? Thank you.